All on behalf of ISCCM Hyderabad Executive Committee, I would like to invite all the delegates and faculty for Critic 2021. Critic, that is Conference on Innovative Thinking in Critical Care. This Critic conference, first we started in 2017 by ISCCM Hyderabad Executive Committee. That time, it is a brainchild of 2017-19 Executive Committee. Dr. PBN Gopal as chairperson and Dr. Venkatramana as general secretary, and I was treasurer at that time, and Dr. Srinivas Samavedam was scientific committee chairman. That time we started Critic 2017. So that was first Critic, and we did in a very big way, and it attracted nearly 500 delegates. And later next year, in 2018, the same executive committee, we did Critic in 2018 in Marriott Hotel. It was again big event, and more than 1,000 delegates were participated, and all the national faculty was faculty in all the critics. So in 2019, then the new executive committee has taken over, and I was chairman at that time also, and Dr. J. Srinivas was general secretary, and Dr. Srinivas Samavedam sir was scientific committee chairman. And again in 2019 we did Critic in a 3-star hotel in a big way. That Critic also attracted a lot of delegates. Because of pandemic, we could not do physical conference in 2020, and we did 4th Critic, that is 2020 Critic, as a virtual conference in December, and it was a huge success. Nearly 2,000 people attended this conference. So why we started this Critic? This Critic was started, it is not a routine conference, to stimulate thinking and perhaps to throw light towards the new direction, to allow people to do research and present their own research, and it gives and questioning the clinical practice guidelines and questioning the current practices and this research is going to help in the critical care clinical practice, changing the current guidelines. With that motivation, that we started Critic. That is the aim, and I think in future it is going to be like presenting the original data. That is what Dr. Srinivas Samavedam, as a scientific chairman, he wishes. So, and he was scientific committee chairman for all the Critic conferences, and we are really thankful to him. So this time, like last year, there was a dilemma whether to do a physical conference or virtual conference. So when we did virtual conference last year, because it was pandemic, all the conferences were virtual. This time we were in dilemma whether to do a physical conference or a virtual conference. So then we don't know whether the pandemic is still there or not, whether the third wave is going to come or not. So we decided, okay, we'll go virtual, but 2 days virtual and then 1 day physical. But again, in view of our national conference and other conferences, so we thought, oh, we'll not do it in December. Last year we did in December, but all the critics we did in November. So this time we are doing in November. This time, when we approached Dr. Srinivas Samavedam for the scientific agenda, he immediately accepted, and he said this time, we know the Critic conference is different from other conferences. So he decided after discussing with the executive committee, so we thought we'll do interview-based conference this time without much PPTs. So it is like interviewing senior faculty and their inputs, and then their knowledge will be shared to the audience in the form of interview, and very few talks for 10 minutes we are going to have with PPT. So I, being the chairperson of ISCCM Hyderabad, and Dr. Pawan is the general secretary of ISCCM Hyderabad, and Dr. Madhusudan Jaju as the treasurer, and Dr. Srinivas Samavedam as scientific committee chairman, and Dr. Deepak and Dr. Chandana Reddy helped the scientific committee and for good scientific agenda, for engaging the national faculty. And within short time, all the national faculty agreed to participate and then they within very short period, they all accepted our invitation, and then they are in Critic 2021. So this time the Critic 2021 approach is new normal and new approach. And thank you once again, all the delegates and all the faculty members for participating in 2021. All the best to Critic 2021.
Namaste. Good evening. Hi, I'm Dr. Pavan. I am the secretary of Hyderabad ISCCM chapter. We have heard Dr. Subba Reddy, our chairperson for Hyderabad ISCCM, go through the Critic 2021. Now, like we said, the ISCCM Hyderabad has been running full-fledged academic programs all through all conferences, and we were the last to do the national conference physically before COVID actually hit us. So we are looking forward for the national conferences. We are looking forward for other physical conferences. Unfortunately, we're still in that dilemma whether to go for full-fledged physical or online conferences. And here we are, Hyderabad, bringing again another conference for the benefit of all, Critic 2021, like it's an annual signature event. ISCCM Hyderabad has been on the forefront, developing academics and doing its own courses, own conferences, workshops all through the year. Despite this being a very hectic year, last 2 years, we have been conducting online workshops, online conferences for the benefit of all students. Even the mock exams we have been doing for the sake of all the IDCCM students. And we have done our bit to help the students in this way. We want to take this forward and then conduct the South Zone conference also. Hopefully we can be able to do it next year or so. And we are all happy here to be here and come together again and use this platform for furthering our knowledge. ISCCM Hyderabad has been voted the best metro branch for the past 2 consecutive years. And we're looking forward to outdo ourselves in the future. Taking this forward, I think I welcome you all for a meaningful conference, and you would enjoy these 2 days of online sessions. It was specifically done so that in the evening time you can use this. Either you can log in like a podcast, either you, even if you're coming back while on commute to your home, or you might be going for an evening walk, then you can at least be easy to catch on and know what's happening. So try to stick around, and then we will all be happy to off help. So we will be doing a live conference. If there is any questions, you can actually put those questions and we will be able to answer the question. The faculty will be able to answer in this live conference. So all the best and happy watching. So we will take on for the sessions to start. We will request Dr. Chandana, the first moderator, to take over and start the proceedings for today. Enjoy.